In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a squat, and we're going to be doing this assisted with a TRX to help us out. So first things first, when it comes to a squat movement, so you can see me on the camera, when I'm in my squat position, which is feet hip width apart and my feet slightly pointing out, I'm going to be bringing my hips back, coming down to that 90-degree angle at the knee and back up. The difference between the bodyweight squat and an assisted squat is we might be able to get a little bit deeper. We've got our hands to help us if we get into trouble. So those looking to increase your range of motion, but you don't want to come so low that then you can't get back up, the TRX is a fantastic alternative because we can always use our upper body should we need to. Now the upper body is only there if we need it. We're not actually using it during the squat motion. So I start off with the handles at my hips, and then from here I'm going to take a step back until I am in a position where I can't come back any further without leaning back. So from this position, feet hip width apart, I'm now, as I come down, going to bring my arms straight. So see, as I come straight, I'm not using my arms to push me up. They're only there if I need them to push me up, and it's good for your last repetition. So it allows you to get a lot lower than usual, a lot lower than 90 if you're somebody that's stuck at that range of motion, and you've then got an abrasive angle that's a little bit different from your normal angle when you do a bodyweight squat. So handles at the hips, you're going to take a step back. You want to be in a position here where your hands are higher than your elbows. From this position, you've got your feet hip width apart. You're going to bring your glutes back, so bum to the back of the room. And then from here, you're going to bring the arms straight. Use your legs to come back up. We return back to that start position, so keeping the elbows into the body. And then you're going to repeat your repetitions and do your desired sets.